Presenting a pre-owned 2010 Mercedes-Benz. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Mercedes-Benz has less than 109,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Ask to see the free Carfax vehicle history report. Key features include automatic climate control, CD changer, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, sunroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power windows.